Kingston engineer charged with armed robbery in St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 26-year-old Jermaine Reed, otherwise called Jerry, an engineer of Golden Road in Kingston, has been charged following an incident on the main road in Highgate, St. Mary on Saturday, November 23rd. He has been charged with robbery with aggravation, conspiracy to commit robbery with aggravation, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony and assault at common law. Reports from the Highgate police are that at around 8:40 p.m., a man was in a parking lot when he was pounced upon by two men, one of whom brandished a firearm and robbed him of his cell phone, valued at US $1,500 and 500 Jamaican dollars. He was physically assaulted during the ordeal. A report was made to the police leading to Reed's arrest. He is set to appear in the Port Maria Parish Court on Thursday, December the 5th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.